Hey everyone, I'm super excited to announce that we are now offering financing through a company called Wisetack on any project that ranges from $500 to $15,000 if you're interested. And they offer a 0 to 29.9% interest rate. It just depends on your credit. Now they also offer terms of 3 months up to 24 months. So you have a lot of options when you're looking for financing a project through us that might be a little bit more expensive than you wanted to put on your personal credit card. Now, why would you choose Wisetack and finance through Wisetack over your personal credit card? Well, personal credit cards have what's called compound interest, and Wisetack uses simple interest. So you do pay or potentially pay less than if you were to put it on your credit card. Now, the other good thing about Wisetack is you can get a pre-qualification with a soft pull credit check, which means this doesn't impact your credit score to check to see if you're pre-qualified. So any estimate or invoice that we send you for anywhere from $500 to $15,000 will automatically include a section that allows you to get a pre-qual credit check to see if you can finance that project, and it will also give you some estimated monthly payments. Now, of course, there's always the disclaimer that, you know, the payments and the interest rates and the terms available and the amount able to be financed is all based on your credit check. But like I said, you can get that information with a soft credit pull, so it's not going to damage your credit.
So how does that work for you as the client? It's really simple. We send you an estimate for the work to be completed through our software called OrbisX. Once you receive that estimate, you'll see that there's a pre-qualification link for Wisetack. Once you're pre-qualified, we'll be notified on our end, and you can accept the estimate on your end. Once you accept the estimate, we will convert that estimate into an invoice. Then when you receive the invoice, there will be a payment link where you can choose Wisetack as a payment option. You then go into that Wisetack option and you select the term that you want and the monthly payment you want and add a debit card. That debit card will be charged once the work is complete and the loan begins. The next thing we will do is send you a deposit request for 20% of the total ticket through QuickBooks. This deposit is to ensure that clients show up to their appointment and are not no-shows or cancellations. This deposit is fully refundable in the event that we complete the project as agreed upon. If you are a no-show, this becomes a non-refundable deposit. Once the work is completed, you will mark to Wisetack that the work has been completed. They will initiate your loan using the debit card that they have on file, and we at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings will refund you your full 20% deposit.
So I hope that our integration with Wisetack financing really helps you out as a client and allows you to pick the service that you want within your budget for reasonable interest rates and reasonable payment terms.